Here we have 2024 Hyundai Kona and we'll show you how to activate the parking brake option. In my case, the car is start right now, and in order to activate the parking brake, all you have to do is just come towards your left side. You would see a parking button right there. Just lift up that parking button towards yourself. You will hear a background sound, and that is a sign itself that the parking sign is activated. Also, you will see the parking brake option right there on the screen. Now suppose you want to turn off the parking brake option while the car is running. This time you would have to come down right there towards the pedal. Press the brake pedal just like that. Come back to that switch right there. This time we will push it downwards. Again, you will hear a background sound coming out, and there you would notice the parking sign is gone. Now suppose the car is turned off and you still want to activate the parking option. It works the same as if the car was turned on. You would come on your left side again. We lift this switch right there. You hear the sound at the background, and there is that parking sign option activated. Now suppose you want to get rid of the parking brake option while the car is turned off. The bad news is you cannot do that. Like in my case, if I come towards the pedal side and then press the brake pedal just like that, we come towards the switch button right there for the parking. Press that parking button down. You would notice you're not able to get rid of the parking sign option like that. You would have to turn on the vehicle in order to release the parking brake option for this car. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.